Hello guys, today's date is 20th of June 2020 and I'm here to introduce our Buffalo cigarette machine in its most recent form. This version of our Buffalo cigarette machine fills thick macarons, 7.5mm to 8mm. My friend in the video will now turn on the machine and demonstrate the quality of the machine. I know some of you like the audio, but the audio of the machine has been cut so we could dub the video for our foreign customers. And now my friend in the video will show you the quality of the macaron. As he opens the macaron, you can see our cigarettes are filled to the bottom of the macaron. And from experience, I can tell you our quality is unmatched by other companies. Operating the machine is very easy to do. Set it to normal or turbo. That means 12 cartons per hour or 14 cartons per hour. You assist the machine by adding tobacco in the tobacco compartment and let the machine do its business. As you can see from the stack we made under a minute, these are top quality cigarettes, alright? By adjusting the tobacco setting, you can set the gram of the tobacco to your liking. And if you consistently feed tobacco into the compartment, there should be no difference between the first and the last cigarette. To check its fullness, you can check the cigarettes by breaking the macaron from the filter side to see really how well this machine fills the macaron. And as you can see from the cigarette from the video, the quality is just top notch. We here at WAF Machine are using a small 30-liter compressor here to test our machines to see if they work under minimal compressor sizes. But to get optimal fullness, it is recommended to use a bigger compressor. We usually recommend using 40 liters and 8 bars to get the proper adjustments. Well, as you can see from the timestamp, it's been like 2 minutes and the machine has not failed so far. Also, as you can see, the front sides are all the same. The first and the last cigarette will be always the same. The performance does not differ from cigarette to cigarette. You can reach our customer support at the number given to you on the screen. We offer customer support for our every customer and have spare parts for any of your needs. We ship by DHL to most European countries and some more. For distribution in your specific country, we can also make a deal to make things go smoothly. If you liked this video and found it informing, please hit subscribe. If you want to learn our pricing and more, you can send us a message on our WhatsApp number on the screen.